The Columbia-class submarine is the United States Navy's newest ballistic missile submarine, replacing the Ohio-class. These submarines are designed to be a crucial part of America's strategic nuclear force. Construction on the first submarine, the USS District of Columbia, began in October 2020. It's scheduled to enter service in 2031, marking a new era in underwater technology. Electric Boat designed the Columbia-class, with assistance from Newport News Shipbuilding. The Navy plans to build a total of 12 of these advanced submarines. Each submarine will be armed with 16 missile tubes. These tubes will carry the powerful UGM-133 Trident II D5LE missiles. Later submarines in the class will receive upgraded D5LE-2 missiles. The Columbia-class submarines will measure 560 feet in length. They have a diameter of 43 feet, making them slightly wider than the Ohio-class. The Navy carefully considered several design options before choosing a new design. Alternative options included modifying the Virginia-class and updating the Ohio-class designs. The Navy ultimately concluded that a new design would be the most cost-effective. The Columbia-class uses a nuclear core designed to last the entire lifespan of the submarine. This eliminates the need for costly midlife refueling. The design and technology development is projected to cost $4.2 billion. This includes incorporating technology from the Ohio and Virginia classes. Building the lead boat, the USS District of Columbia, is estimated to cost $6.2 billion. The Navy hopes to reduce the average cost of the remaining submarines to $4.9 billion each. Planners calculated how many missiles needed to be at sea and ready to launch at any time. They also considered the likelihood of a submarine remaining undetected. Required maintenance schedules also affected the calculations. The total lifecycle cost for the entire Columbia class is estimated at a staggering $347 billion.